Lazy but ambitious? It's changed this to make it a model for financial success. Let me guess. You're not broke. You're not irresponsible. You're not living paycheck to paycheck. But somehow, your bank account doesn't reflect how smart or ambitious you actually are. You know you should be doing more with your money. You know, crypto has changed people's lives, and yet you haven't really committed. Not because you don't care, but because every time you think about investing, your brain goes, I'll deal with this later. If that's you, this video might be uncomfortable. Because I'm about to show you how being lazy is either quietly costing you a fortune or could become your biggest financial advantage. And most people don't realize which side they're on until it's too late. Hi, my name is Bruno, and today I want to talk about how lazy but ambitious people should actually be investing their money, specifically using crypto without burning out, overthinking, or sabotaging themselves. If you're someone who pays their bills, avoids dumb debt, tries to be responsible, but still feels behind financially, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. And look, when I say lazy, I don't mean careless. I mean low tolerance for constant effort, even though you want a big future, which honestly is most people. Here's the thing, most people get wrong about money. They think financial success comes from more discipline, more effort, more grinding, more motivation. But here's what most people don't realize. Motivation is unreliable. And if your financial plan depends on it, you will fail. Especially if you're lazy. Most lazy but ambitious people do this. They intend to invest in crypto. They watch videos, they follow accounts, they understand the upside, but their actual behavior. I'll wait for a dip. I'll start next month. I need to learn more first. And because nothing explodes immediately, nothing changes. Now you might be thinking, Bruno, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm fine. Yeah, fine is the most expensive place to be. According to behavioral finance research, humans suffer from status quo bias, meaning we prefer doing nothing over making a decision, even when doing nothing is harmful. Add volatility, like crypto, and your brain screams, danger, avoid. So, instead of building wealth, you delay. And delay has a cost. Inflation alone quietly eats at minimum 2 to 4% of your purchasing power every year. Doing nothing isn't neutral. It's a losing strategy. This is where it gets really interesting, because laziness itself isn't the problem. Repeated decisions are. Lazy people don't fail because they can't work hard. They fail because they refuse to keep deciding. And that's exactly why crypto, when done correctly, is perfect for you. Let's talk numbers. Real ones. No moon math. Say you invest $500 per month into crypto. No trading. No leverage. No signals. Just consistent investing into high-quality assets. That's $6,000 per year. Now, historically, crypto has averaged well over 80% annually across market cycles. But we're not using that. We're going to assume a conservative 30% annual return. Why? Because even when I underestimate crypto, the numbers still get ridiculous. Here's what $500 a month looks like at 30% annually. 10 years approximately $415,000. 15 years approximately $1.3 million. Let that sink in. This isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market with asymmetric upside. Here's what most people don't realize. The hardest part wasn't the money. It was committing early enough to let compounding do the work. I've seen people working insane hours, making good money, still end up financially stuck. Why? Because income doesn't build wealth. Systems do. If your investing requires willpower, perfect timing, emotional control, it will break. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't wake up motivated. You don't debate it. You don't optimize it. You just do it. Now imagine if brushing your teeth required you to feel disciplined every day. You'd lose teeth. That's how most people treat investing, especially crypto. Now, you might be thinking, Bruno, crypto is risky. Correct. But let's define risk properly. Reckless risk is all-in bets, leverage, emotional trading, chasing hype. Smart risk is small, consistent exposure, long time horizon, automation, patience. The biggest risk isn't volatility. The biggest risk is sitting on the sidelines while the system inflates away your future. The one change that turns laziness into a superpower. Here it is. Aggressively automate your ambition. Lazy people don't go back and adjust plans. So, instead of starting small and optimizing later, you build a strong system once and let laziness protect it. Actionable steps. Lazy-proof crypto investment system. Step 1. Choose one reputable exchange. Use one you trust and will actually log into. Step 2. Pick one or two high-conviction blue-chip assets. Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you need 15 coins, you're guessing. Step 3. Automate weekly or monthly buys. Same amount, same schedule. This removes emotion, which is where people lose. Step 4. Move it off the exchange. Cold wallet, hardware wallet. Security is part of the system. Step 5. Do nothing. No panic selling. No doom scrolling. No checking prices every hour. Ignore the noise. Step 6. Reassess once per year. Increase contributions when income rises. That's it. No hustle, no charts, no burnout. I've seen this play out again and again. People who waited to feel ready versus people who automated early and stopped thinking. 10 years later, one group is still explaining why they didn't start. The other barely remembers setting it up. The difference wasn't intelligence, but the difference is big. It was honesty about their habits. Why this works specifically for lazy people? Because you hate repeated decisions. You avoid unnecessary effort. You prefer simple rules. You won't micromanage. So stop pretending you will. Design around who you actually are, not who finance influencers say you should be. Here's the real takeaway. Financial success isn't about becoming more disciplined. It's about becoming more self-aware. When your system matches your personality, everything gets easier. And lazy people, when set up correctly, they win quietly, consistently, and massively. Look, you don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. You don't need to trade. You don't need 6 income streams. You need one decision that removes future decisions. Lazy doesn't mean incapable. It just means you need better defaults. If this helped you rethink how you're approaching crypto, hit the thumbs up. It tells the algorithm this was actually useful. Subscribe if you want honest, no bullshit financial education built for real people, not system lemmings or robots. And ask yourself this: What system can I build once for me so I never have to rely on motivation again? That's how lazy but ambitious people win. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.